A row is broken out over the funding and construction of the new parliament building in Zimbabwe, with conflicting claims surrounding the roles of President Mnangagwa and the predecessor Robert Mugabe initiating the project. Poita gakava panapa mwari kuti aiwa the new parliament yakainitiatiwa na Mugabe, pamwe chiti aiwa yakainitiatiwa pa the tenure ya ED Mnangagwa. Ashperi mushe nawe yapindikwa ne G40. Sabina mashoka buda nyoga nubva subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Tipina muni andonyora chiti the $46 million project pledged by the Chinese government in 2016 has become a point of contention between government officials and critics. Government spokesperson Nick Mangwana claims that the project was initiated by the current government led by Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa posted the picture of the new parliament building with the caption, "Yes, this is the Zimbabwe under ED legend." However, former cabinet minister Sabc argues that the project was actually initiated during the tenure of the late former president Mugabe. You embarrassing your boss. He knows the truth. We all want to see development. Show us something else. This one we know much more. Give us something, and certainly not about gods. Mnangagwa responded, "This deal was signed in April 2018. I challenge you to prove otherwise, and in the process, embarrass yourself." Saka ndo mashwa tukuna pana pa murezi mabo kuti aiwa Nick Mangwana ari kusapota ED Mnangagwa achiti aiwa this is the project yakaitikwa under ED Mnangagwa as regime the under Mnangagwa, but pana tukuna kuti kasukura kuti aiwa izvakaitika muna 2016 ndobe yakasainiwa. This was the work of Mugabe, but nona kuti aiwa vana Nick Mangwana anoti this was signed in 2018. Tudze mafungiro enyu minoti kudi pamusoro aiwa peukakatana vanhu vachiti tona kasukura chiti tiratidze mamwe maproject amakaita asiri embudzi iyi musatukudza tinoziva kuti ndeya Mugabe. Pinda mucomment section medu dzemafungiro enyu, musaona subscribe kulike, turn on the bell icon.